Hello everybody, this is Itay Verchik, and in this guide I'm going to show you how to make money with your website with our marketplace in SayV's. Okay, so in order to be able to sell backlinks from your website to other SEO experts, you have to log into SayV's.com. Right here, put your website to analyze, or just log in and sign up with your email. Or Facebook, of course, and after you have done that, you will be redirected to the home page right here that you can see your projects for the SEO projects that you are managing. Now, up here on the menu, you can see that you have the marketplace, and you will see the other users, packages, or products, as well as content writers that you can contact with. Of course, those are just tests. So if you want to add your new offer right here from your website, let's say for an example, I want to sell an article from this blog, from this website. As you can see right here, you have many of articles that has backlink in them, and you will be able to sell them to other users. So after you will add right here your new offer, you will choose the type of product if you want to sell it particular website, or a package if you have many links that you want to sell, or the same URL but a few times as a package. So just put the name right here of the website that you can recognize it. Choose the country, for an example, United States. The category is food, and your price. You can choose the currency right here by USD or ILS, and if you have any discount, you can put it right here and it will calculate it for you. Of course, you can add a description for this website that you sell, so you can sell it much better. So just take a few words and put it right here. You can put up to 5,000 characters and copy past the homepage URL, and you can choose an image if you want to screenshot your website homepage or add your logo right here for the website. You can also sell it with an article. Let's say for an example, I want to sell an article that costs $50, which has the words amount from 500 to 750, and of course I can just add it as a links exchange if I want to exchange it with another SEO expert, and I will get a backlink from them to promote my own websites. So this is how you do it. You can actually sell backlinks as packages or products to the marketplace to other SEO experts as well, and to make money from your own website by selling backlinks. You can save it right here, and there you go. You will have this product on the marketplace for other SEO experts or users to be able to buy them from you. You will get an order from your email, and you can fulfill it and send them the backlink after you've got your money. This is how you do it. As you saw, it's very easy to make money by selling backlinks with the marketplace of SayV's. If you have any more questions, you can write in the comments below when I will comment, and on the first comment I put in the link to my full guide on my website. If you like this video, you can subscribe, comment and share, and good luck.